Hey everybody, it's your favorite fat man here, Big T Coins, and I'm doing a little video for my daughter Ashley Penny Hunter. She said a couple of people that were interested in her 3D prints that her boyfriend does, for maybe doing like pores and stuff. So I wanted to show some of the stuff that she has here. Alrighty. Right here, we got a T-Rex head, and that's in two pieces, so you could pour both pieces separately, but real detailed right there. Next, we got from Animal Crossing. I believe she said the owl's name is Celeste, but you can see plenty of detail. Then she's got Batman. Lots of detail in the Batman and all. If you are a Star Wars fan, we got Yoda right here, as you can see. Even got a saying down there on the bottom of it. Then from the old video game, we got Kirby right here. Oops, got Kirby. Let's see. We have Yoshi that is Mario Brothers, Yoshi. We have I Am Groot. We got a Groot right here. As you can see, plenty of detail up there on the head and everything. We got a Groot. Then from Pokemon, we got Eevee right here. Then from Looney Tunes, we got Elmer Fudd right here with his Pew Pew, because Warner Brothers took the Pew Pew away from him. But this one shows him with his Pew Pew, so way to go. And we got, guess this is from Animal Crossing too, that little bitty dog. Little bitty dog. Hold on one moment. I think there's another dog in there with that too. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Yep, and here is another dog, a little bit bigger version. Right there. Looks more like a pig to me, but they said it's a dog. And then if you're into video games, we have Fortnite right there. There's the different ones that she has. What she's asking on them is $10 each with $5 shipping, and we will combine the shipping for her. So if you're interested, just get a hold of me, Big T, and I will take care of them for you. Until then, y'all have a nice day, and see you later.